and the creation of echo chambers, where people only consume information that reinforces their existing beliefs. This can be particularly dangerous when it comes to political or social issues, where a lack of diverse perspectives can lead to polarization and division. In addition to confirmation bias, clickbait also plays into our cognitive biases, or mental shortcuts that our brains use to simplify information processing. For example, the scarcity bias makes us more likely to click on headlines that imply there is a limited opportunity to access information or resources. The bandwagon effect makes us more likely to click on articles that are popular or trending. Understanding these biases can help us be more aware of why we're drawn to particular headlines, and whether they're truly worth our time. Finally, it's worth noting that not all clickbait is created equal. While some clickbait relies on sensationalism and false promises, not all of it is inherently bad. In fact, some clickbait can be a clever strategy for online marketers to reach new audiences and promote their products or services. As consumers, it's up to us to be discerning and critical about the clickbait we encounter and to ask ourselves whether it's providing real value or simply trying to sell us something. In summary, clickbait is a ubiquitous feature of our media landscape, and it's easy to see why it's so hard to resist. It appeals to our curiosity, emotions, and cognitive biases and promises to provide new and exciting information. However, it's important to recognize that not all clickbait is created equal, and that some of it can be a vehicle for misinformation or harmful content. By being mindful of our own reactions and seeking out more reliable sources, we can help promote a more responsible and trustworthy media environment. Moreover, it is important to acknowledge the role of social media algorithms in the spread of clickbait. These algorithms are designed to prioritize content that generates engagement, whether through likes, comments, or shares. As a result, clickbait articles and videos are more likely to appear in our feeds, perpetuating the cycle of sensationalism and viral content. This algorithmic bias towards clickbait can also have serious consequences for our understanding of current events. As clickbait articles and social media posts spread rapidly, they can create a distorted picture of what's really going on in the world. This is especially true in the realm of politics, where fake news and propaganda can have a significant impact on public opinion and elections. To combat this, it's important to be vigilant and critical of the content we encounter on social media, especially when it comes to politics and current events. Fact-checking websites and tools can be a useful resource in verifying the accuracy of news stories and identifying false or misleading information. Ultimately, clickbait is a symptom of a larger problem in our media landscape, one that prioritizes engagement and revenue over accuracy and quality. It's up to each of us to challenge this status quo. By demanding more from our media sources and taking responsibility for the content we consume and share online. As consumers, we have the power to shape the media landscape by being more discerning and mindful of the content we consume and share. In a world where information is constantly at our fingertips, it's crucial to develop critical thinking skills and question the validity of sensationalistic headlines. We must resist the urge to click without thinking, and instead, take a moment to evaluate the source, verify the information, and consider the potential biases at play. Furthermore, we can actively engage with platforms and algorithms by reporting and flagging content that is misleading, false, or harmful. By holding social media platforms accountable for the content they promote, we can help optimize algorithms to prioritize accurate and reliable information over clickbait. In addition, we can support initiatives and organizations that promote media literacy and fact-checking. Ultimately, making sense of clickbait requires a concerted effort from both individuals and society as a whole. By being conscious consumers of media and advocating for higher standards, we can work towards a media landscape that values accuracy, truth, and responsible journalism. Thanks for watching.